everyone, my name is Untitled. In this video, I will talk about copper element. Copper element can be found in the middle of a rectangle of transition meter located at group 11. It has chemical symbol of Cu. It's seen along with other precious metals such as gold and silver. The atomic number of copper is 29, which is represented as the number of protons of the atom. In nature, copper found in a metallic state. Copper surfaces exposes to the air to a little niche into a dull. It can be seen as a brownish color or reddish metallic element. Copper can be found in nature as a pure form. Copper considered as a soft metal as they are malleable. It can be bent and hammered into any form. It also can be polished into a brighter finish. This element is fairly unreactive and was a great conductor of heat. Most importantly, copper is a very excellent conductor of electricity. Copper have been widely used for piping and electrical wiring. Obtaining copper requires a simple process. Mixing malachite ore, known as basic copper carbonate, with charcoal, then this mixture will undergo ignition, as a result forming a state of metallic copper recovered by carbon dioxide gas. This process makes copper can be melted and can be transformed into any shape of material. Everyone has seen 1 cent coin of Malaysia made of copper. But did you know that copper is the first metal that was discovered and was casted into shape in 4000s before Christ? Other discovery also state that copper was discovered back around 10,000 years ago. Copper was used by all ancient civilizations as utensils, ornaments, coins, machinery, weapons, and etc. Copper originally comes from Latin words called cupru, after the island of Cyprus, which is rich of malachite ore. Nowadays, due to copper thermal and electrical conductivity purpose, this element is widely used and being investigated by both chemistry and physics field. Physical properties of copper is something that we can identify through naked eyes and being measured. As I explained before, copper is a reddish-brown metal. Malleability of this element makes it easy to shape into any form. Next is luster, which means it can be polished to become shine and glow. The ductility of this element makes it easily stretch or pull to become a thin layer of wire. We already know that copper has a great conductivity of electricity and heat. It has an excellent transmission of heat and electricity. The melting point of copper is 1083 degrees Celsius, and also it has quite pretty high of boiling point, which is 1595 degrees Celsius. In chemical properties of copper, in terms of toxicity, using a large amount of copper can be harmful and poisonous. In terms of reactivity, copper will not react with water. However, copper can be react actively when combined with concentrated nitric acid, forming nitrogen dioxide, which creates unpleasant brown gas odor. One of the advantages of copper lies on its physical properties. Copper has a good corrosion resistance due to low reactivity rating, which reduces the risk of the deteriorations and failure. Copper can handle a wider load of electrical power, allowed copper to use less insulations and armoring. Due to high heat resistance makes the copper electrical wire way more safer than other conductive metals. The advantage of copper is because of its inexpensive compared to other conductive metals. It is a versatile metal because it can be used for either constructions and manufacturing because it is soft, ductile, and a malleable metal. It's easy to shape and stretch without causing any breakage. Copper is also act as antibacterial, which prevent organisms from latching and growing on it. Marine hardware of copper prevents barnacles and mussels from growing on the hull of ships. In addition, the metal that have antimicrobial properties is effective as a biofouling agent. Copper is a recyclable element. It can be recycled without losing its quality and worth, about 90% from its original cost. This makes it more cheaper compared to processing and extracting a new copper, which also can give damage to our environment. Recycling a copper will extend the availability of the resources. Nowadays, copper is widely used in many industries. One of it is as electric cables. As we have learned before, as copper conducts both electric and heat very well and can be drawn into wires and cables. Copper wires is used in power generation, power transmissions, power distribution for telecommunication, electronic circuitry, and countless types of electronic equipment. Copper also used in electroplating. Other than electrical wiring, the other main applications of copper are roofing, plumbing, and industrial machinery. Instead of pure copper, alloy copper improves its strength. Other alloys such as brass is a combination between chrome and zinc. This alloy is used to make electrical fitting, metal, decorative items, musical instruments, and hardware. Bronze is a combination of copper and tin. This combination is used to make statues, coins, bells, and gowns. Lastly, beryllium copper presents as a non-sparking and non-magnetic alloy that works well in hazardous workspace, such as wrenches, screws, pliers, drivers, and other household tools. Okay guys, thank you for watching my videos. I hope you guys able to earn plenty of benefits and gain some general knowledge on this element through my video. Bye!